Artie Maddicks, Leech, Synch, Skin, or 21 of 50, the most ridiculous superheroes ever, 3 of 17, the worst X-Men members ever. Penance, Mondo, Jubilee. More Jubilee 1990 187, the top Marvel Comics superheroes 196 of 297, the best comic book superheroes of all time 707 of 737, the most annoying TV and film characters ever. Husk, Husk, Gaia, Emma Frost, Chamber, Banshee.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.